Welcome to the benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today, let's discuss the health benefits of resveratrol. If you value positive health information and want to enrich your whole body, mind and spirit with the latest science-backed information, subscribe. Knowledge transcends power when you arm your body with the means to defend itself. In a world rife with pollution, pesticides, and pervasive chemicals, it's unsurprising that we compound our woes with stress. Relax, don't stress. Armed with knowledge, you can improve. Allow us to assist you in cultivating a rich, healthy, and abundant life with the most current science-supported information. Resveratrol is a powerful antioxidant that helps shield cells from damage due to free radicals. These unstable molecules arise from exposure to environmental toxins, pollution, and normal metabolic functions. Resveratrol's ability to neutralize free radicals diminishes oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and numerous chronic illnesses. Research indicates that resveratrol may play a role in activating certain proteins involved in DNA repair, particularly in response to cellular damage. By promoting DNA repair, resveratrol helps maintain cellular integrity, which is crucial for long-term health and may even slow the aging process. Lowers blood pressure. Resveratrol has been shown to have vasodilatory effects, meaning it helps relax blood vessels, which can lower blood pressure. Lower blood pressure reduces the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular issues. Improves cholesterol level. Resveratrol can positively impact lipid profiles by lowering LDL bad cholesterol and increasing HDL good cholesterol. This helps prevent plaque buildup in arteries, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis and promoting overall cardiovascular health. Prevents blood clotting. Resveratrol has been found to reduce platelet aggregation, which lowers the risk of blood clots and thrombotic events. This is especially beneficial for people at risk of stroke or heart attacks, as it helps keep blood flowing smoothly through arteries. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation contributes to cardiovascular disease, and the anti-inflammatory properties of resveratrol help lower inflammation markers like C-reactive protein CRP and interleukin-6/6. This reduction in inflammation protects blood vessels and other tissues from damage. Resveratrol is thought to activate sirtuins, particularly SIRT1, a family of proteins that regulate cellular health and longevity. Sirtuins are associated with increased lifespan in various organisms and are involved in processes like DNA repair, cellular stress resistance, and metabolism. Through these mechanisms, it supports aging and protects against age-related diseases. Studies show that resveratrol protects telomeres, the protective caps on the ends of chromosomes that shorten with age. By slowing down the degradation, it slows cellular aging and preserves the health of cells. Resveratrol has been shown to protect neurons from oxidative damage, which is a key factor in neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Its antioxidant properties help protect the brain from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. Studies suggest that resveratrol may enhance memory and learning by improving cerebral blood flow and increasing oxygen and nutrient delivery to brain cells. This increased blood flow has been linked with better cognitive function and protection against age-related cognitive decline. Chronic inflammation in the brain is a contributor to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. Resveratrol's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce brain inflammation, potentially lowering the risk of conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. Factor BDNF. BDNF is a protein that plays a crucial role in neurogenesis, the formation of new neurons and synapses, and is vital for learning, memory, and overall cognitive health. Resveratrol has been shown to increase BDNF levels, supporting brain plasticity and cognitive resilience. Resveratrol is known to impede the growth and spread of a variety of cancer cells, such as those related to breast, prostate, lung, colon, and skin cancers. It disrupts the cancer cell cycle and induces apoptosis, the programmed cell death, thereby hindering the multiplication of cancer cells. Tumors require new blood vessels to grow and spread, a process called angiogenesis. Resveratrol has been shown to reduce angiogenesis in some cancer cells, limiting the nutrient supply to tumors and potentially slowing their growth. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of resveratrol also contribute to its anti-cancer effects, as chronic inflammation and oxidative damage are both key risk factors in cancer development. It is known to enhance insulin sensitivity, increasing cellular responsiveness to insulin, which lowers blood sugar levels and reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes. Enhanced insulin sensitivity aids in preventing metabolic syndrome. This helps high blood pressure, elevated blood sugar, and abdominal fat. Resveratrol has been observed to influence certain enzymes involved in glucose metabolism, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels by preventing blood sugar spikes. It can improve overall glycemic control and may be beneficial for those with diabetes or pre-diabetes. Resveratrol helps reduce inflammation in adipose fat tissue, which can disrupt metabolic function and increase insulin resistance. By reducing inflammation, resveratrol supports healthy fat metabolism and weight management. Resveratrol has shown potential as a photoprotective agent, helping shield skin cells from the damaging effects of UV radiation. This can reduce the risk of skin aging and skin cancer caused by UV exposure. As a potent antioxidant, resveratrol neutralizes free radicals that can damage skin cells, reducing the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. It may also stimulate collagen production, which helps maintain skin elasticity and firmness. Resveratrol's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness and skin inflammation, making it potentially beneficial for skin conditions like acne, eczema, and rosacea. Resveratrol has been shown to boost the body's immune response by modulating the activity of white blood cells. A stronger immune system is better equipped to fight off infections and illness. Studies suggest that resveratrol may have antibacterial and antiviral effects, making it potentially helpful in fighting infections. It has been observed to inhibit the replication of certain viruses, including influenza and herpes simplex. Resveratrol's anti-inflammatory properties benefit joint health. Studies show it reduces inflammation markers like TNF-alpha and IL-1, which play a role in joint inflammation and arthritis. This reduction helps ease the pain and stiffness in osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Animal studies have shown that resveratrol may protect cartilage from degradation, potentially slowing down the progression of osteoarthritis. By preserving cartilage, resveratrol may help maintain joint function and mobility over time. Resveratrol has been shown to have prebiotic-like effects, meaning it may promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome supports digestion, nutrient absorption, immune health, and even mood regulation. Chronic inflammation in the gut is associated with conditions like inflammatory bowel disease (IBD) and irritable bowel syndrome (IBS). Resveratrol's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the gut lining, potentially alleviating symptoms and improving gut health. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Remember to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the benefits of channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.